this as well, background only of World of Warcraft. So we can do that, kind of do our own background here. Let me download this one as well, just so we have it saved. So we can do background only World of Warcraft for YouTube thumbnail. And what this will do is just create a background for you. And then if you have your own image, you can just overlay it on top, and you can do it right from our tool here as well. So this gives us a great background. We can use one of these custom captions, and then if you have your own image saved, you can add it here, and then it'll overlay. Let's try this here. Let's go to I think I have a image saved here on my desktop. All right, let's do this. So this gives me an image here, and we can overlay it. We can move this caption here. I would probably change it, say, to Raid Boss. Do this sort of caption, bring it down here, or just put it right over me here. And then you have here's a thumbnail for a World of Warcraft theme. If you want to change the text color, you can do all of those things as well. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI, for all of your thumbnail needs. It's totally free. Just come to YouTube Creator AI, come down to the thumbnail studio, put in your video topic or title. Make sure you have it corrected for a thumbnail. If you want to create images for a community post or a short, you're welcome to do that as well. YouTube Creator AI, email me, Mateo@youtubecreatorai.com if you have any questions.